I
You know,
agree, I
you've
agree.
also done a lot of interview practice with some of your viewers. Tama ba ako?
Mm-mm.
I've
Yep.
seen I think some of your videos with Leona Magalona. I hope that
Mm-mm.
I'm pronouncing her right,
Yes,
ano?
yes.
And then other interview
That's the
sessions as
founder
well.
of Buhay
Mm-hmm.
Call Center page.
Why call center?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Shout out to you
Big
kasi
shout out to
I
Leona
yeah,
Magalona.
shout out to you, Leona. I reached out to her and then she was very generous enough naman to to post us or to advertise our page in her
Wow.
page, no. Yeah,
Mm-mm.
one of the contents in your page or in your YouTube channel, Rene Boy, was sabi mo doon is tandaan mo lang na walang taong mahina ang utak, kulang lang talaga
Mm-mm.
sa gabay at practice. What do you mean by
Mm-mm.
this? Mm.
Yun kasi, kumbaga, words of encouragement ko yun para sa lahat ng mga,
Mm.
alam mo yun, natatakot silang mag-strive sa BPO industry. Marami kasi sa kanila is kinakabahan. Pero pag naririnig daw nila yung sinasabi ko na yun, lalo na sa, merong part ako sa video ko na sinasabi ko na, tandaan mo kung walang naniniwala sa'yo, si Kuya Rene Boy, naniniwala ako na makakapasa ka. Yun daw yung
Oo.
laging naririnig nila sa isip nila kapag nag-a-apply sila. Tapos ang daming
Nice,
nakakapasa pag ganun. Kumbaga, alam mo yun kasi
Mm.
may mga times na ultimo kamag-anak nila, hindi sila naniniwalaan, friends nila, hindi naniniwala sa kanila.
Mm.
Pero kung merong isa ng vlogger na naniniwala sa kanila, yun pala yung
Mm.
nakakatulong para mas lalong ma-boost yung confidence nila. So yun yung palagi kong sinasabi sa mga
Mhm.
viewers ko. Yun yung ibig ko sabihin sa kanila tawag dito, wala naman taong ano talaga eh. Kulang lang talaga sila sa practice. Kailangan lang nila ma-expose. Alam mo yung parang bata ka lang dati na wala ka namang alam. Pero dahil na-expose ka
True.
sa mga salita like mama, papa, tubig, inom,
Mm.
ganun.
Yeah,
Natututunan mo yan eventually. Yun yung kaya palagi yung sinasabi na kailangan lang nila talaga mag-aral at mag-practice. Matututo at
mag-aral, mag-practice
matututo.
talaga. If they are really dedicated to
Yes.
really make it, ano? Kasi there are other people that I know, they wanted to enter the BPO world. However, they're not really doing their part. Like they
Mm-mm.
tried
That's true.
applying once or twice and then they failed and then ayaw ko na, hindi ko kaya to, hindi para sa akin to. What? It doesn't work that way, right?
Sometimes, kailangan mo mag-try ng maraming beses bago mo makita eh. Kumbaga, pupunta ka sa
Mm.
isang lugar na napakaraming pinto.
Mm.
Dalawang pinto, tatlong pinto pa lang binubuksan mo. Pagod ka na, nagrereklamo ka na, di ba? Hindi mo alam, nasa ikaapat
Mm.
pala yung opportunity.
Agree,
Ganun.
agree.
Mm.
Si Pia Wurst ba nga nakatatlong sali siya sa binibining Pilipinas Universe eh, bago siya naging Miss
Oo.
Universe, hindi ba? Ikaw pa
Mm.
kaya, Dai?
Totoo
Si
yun.
Rene Boy nga 7 beses eh, right? So kung
Oo.
ikaw nakatatlo pa
Kaya
lang
nga,
4, si Rene Boy 7, right? 8.
It's a very good reminder din to everyone, no, lalo na sa mga kabataan ngayon kasi yun nga, when you mentioned exposed, they're also being exposed to a lot of opportunities or possible opportunities there is. Kaya parang andali sa kanila mag-decide na to shift into another path right away after getting,
mm,
2 to 3 rejections. But, your ano talaga, consistency and perseverance really, what's inspiring to your story. So, ayun siya, Kuya Rene Boy. But, what actually or who inspired you to take the leap into entrepreneurship? Kasi, syempre, di ba, before, sabi mo nga, nakikita mo lang yung mga BPO employee na, uy, pakape-kape na sila, oh, gusto ko yung ganyang buhay, di ba? But
mm.
who really got you inspired or what got you inspired to really take entrepreneurship?
Actually, sa entrepreneurship, since, di ba, nandito na tayo sa BPO career natin, tapos nag-jump tayo sa pagiging vlogger, naging vlogger tayo, dumating sa point na nagkaroon ako ng idea na meron na akong market, meron na akong audience. Okay, kumbaga
Mhm.
meron na akong audience, meron na akong market, bakit hindi ko i-monetize yan? And somehow related pa rin sa niche ko, sa career ko, and sa ginagawa ko. So I decided na pumasok sa entrepreneurship na relevant pa rin sa BPO, which is yung
Mhm.
pagtatag ko ng Bold Minds Academy. Itong nakasulat sa damit ko, Bold Minds
Mhm.
Academy. Ito yung academy ko na nagtitrain sa mga BPO aspirants. So for those
Wow.
people na hindi ko na makater, na hindi ko naman ma-replyan sa sobrang dami na nagpi-PM araw-araw, bakit hindi ako magtayo ng eskwelahan na kung saan may magtuturo ng kung ano yung tinuturo ko talaga na kasi sabi nila effective kasi most of the comment section talaga kung i-scrub niyo yung nasa YouTube channel ko, ang dami
Yeah.
na nakapasa. So,
Mm-mm.
why not na gumawa na lang ako ng isang academy naman ngayon na merong magko-coach tapos ituturo niya yung standard ng tinuturo ko din. Tapos yun,
Mm-mm.
ang good thing naman, kung check ninyo yung Bold Minds Academy na Facebook page, meron na siyang nasa 20,000 followers yata
Mm-mm.
and 400 reviews and recommendation. 5 stars siya consistent.
Nice. And that's again,
Ganon.
that's the Bold Minds Academy was
Mm.
born because of you pursuing your purpose, right? Going back to
Doon na
your
nag-umpisa yung
purpose.
pag 3
Yeah.
years na siya ngayon. 3 years na si Bold
Nice.
Minds Academy. Shoutout sa lahat ng coaches natin dyan.
Hello coaches ni Bold Minds Academy.
Si Bold Minds
Pero ang balita
Academy.
ko Rene Boy, hindi lang Bold Minds Academy ang institution na build up mo na. Tama ba ito?
Yes, I also
Ano
have
pa yan?
Renaissance
Okay.
VA agency. Yes. Yeah, this is just a startup. Pero yun,
Mhm.
wino-workout namin
An
siya hanggang ngayon ng team
okay.
ko. Mm-mm.
Yeah, ano ang Renaissance VA agency for those people na, who might have not heard it yet, or people who might be wondering and be interested in what you guys do there?
Okay, Renaissance VA agency is more on, yung advocacy namin na makapagbigay ng work from home job sa mga Filipino. Marami kasi, alam mo yun, maraming Filipino ngayon yung gustong-gusto nila ma-experience. Ano nga ba yung remote job na yan? Ano ba yung virtual
Mm-mm.
assistant? Ano ba yung freelancing industry? So I come up with an idea na magtayo ng VA agency na kung saan maghahanap ako ng client tapos mag-offer ako ng maraming work from home job sa mga tao. Ito po
Nice.
ngayon si Renaissance and somehow syempre Renaissance. So
Yeah, I love that.
relevant siya sa Renaissance na alam niyo new era, new
New
beginning.
era.
Para at ni-relate ko na lang sa pangalan ko yung Rena. Ginawa ko Rene. So yun, Renaissance.
And that's a very
That's
smart spin-off to the word Renaissance. Ano? I really love that. Very smart, intelligent, and really well thought ang yung pagkaka-brand ng Renaissance.
Mm-mm.
Rene Boy. I love that.
Actually, itong bold minds din, ganun din yun eh. Saan ba yung bold? Ito. Bold
Mhm.
means courage, and then minds means knowledge. Okay, kasi kapag nag-apply
Okay.
ka, hindi pwedeng puro tapang lang. Hindi puro courage lang. Kailangan ng utak, ng knowledge.
Mhm.
Hindi rin naman
Mhm.
purong knowledge lang, hindi puro kaalaman lang. Kailangan mo rin ng tapang. So, kailangan balance
Mhm.
yung dalawa. That it will equivalent din sa confidence. So, kailangan dalawa sila. So, yun yung reason
Nice.
kung
I love
bakit
that.
Bold Minds yun.
Is it
Bold
so
Minds Academy.
for those people who enrolled at Bold Minds Academy, it means that when they graduated, they would have both na. Tama? They would have the
Yeah,
courage
Bold
and
Minds.
the
Courage
knowledge.
and knowledge. Yes.
But we all wanted to know as well, Kuya Rene Boy, what transpired? Kasi how has your journey changed you as a person, both professionally and personally?
Nahubog kasi ako nahubog ako ng journey ko talaga na mas maging matatag and mas maging matalino sa lahat ng mga ginagawa ko, especially right now. Nagba-vlog tayo, marami nanonood sa atin.
Mhm.
I always make sure na nagbibigay ako ng value. And yung value na yun is yung
Mhm.
tumatagal. Yun yung gusto kong na-emphasize ko talaga palagi. And kasi alam mo yun, yung pakiramdam ko kasi na kapag may mga tao nagpapasalamat sa akin na, Kuya Rene Boy, hindi kita makakalimutan kasi dahil sa'yo, may trabaho na ako, may papakain na ako sa family ko, ganyan-ganyan. Yun yung something
Mhm.
na masarap pakinggan. Kaya, bilang, alam mo yun, yung journey na to, sobrang nabago talaga yung pananaw ko sa buhay. Naakala ko dati, eto na lang ako, ganyan na lang ako, di na ako talaga alam mo yun, wala nang break na darating. Pero yun, at ngayon, kahit papaano, I know hindi naman ganun pa tayo ka-successful in life.
Mhm.
Pero I'm always trying to, alam mo yun, humble myself. Palaging paa sa lupa, mata sa taas, ganun. Kahit
Correct.
na ano man yung dumating na mga break sa buhay natin. Tapos yun,
Agree.
always pray din, lagi rin ako nagpe-pray na mas marami pang magkaroon ng magandang opportunity. tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako sa advocacy ko kahit anong mangyari na tawag dito, marami pa tayong matulungan na gustong magkaroon ng trabaho.
I love that. So, paa sa lupa and then mata sa taas, right? Paano kung tatawid ka?
Taas lang ng kalibang, taas lang ng kamay.
I'm just kidding. I love that. I love that message of yours, Rene Boy. I really do, because some people that I know, like personally know, kumbaga parang for example, they're trying to achieve from A to Z. Nasa letter B pa lang sila, pero akala mo they already have this lumaki na yung ulo, they already have this level of arrogance na in themselves, right? And I really love what you said na for every journey, every milestone na na-achieve mo, even though you're not there yet, right? It's important that you set milestones, and then when you set and you are able to achieve your milestones, keep your both feet on the ground and your eyes kay Papa God. And that wraps up another episode of the BPO Break Room. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin today.
We hope you enjoyed the kwentuhan and learned something new. Don't forget, laugh, learn, and level up.
And follow us on Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok for exciting updates, tips, and more chikahan.
Give us a thumbs up and share this with your workmates. Baka ito na ang break time inspiration nila. Until next time, stay awesome, stay productive, and always take time to recharge. Kita-kits ulit dito sa The BPO Break Room.